Patel. Today we are going to discuss about Kipp's assembly, which is one most important instrument to generate hydrogen sulphide. Here we are going to discuss Kipp's apparatus first, as shown in this figure. The Kipp's apparatus first discovered by Apparatus Jacobs Kipp in 1844. The Kipp's apparatus, which is look like snowman, like this, where three vertical stacks are there. First chamber, which is connected to the lower chamber through the middle one. Here, one stopcock is there to draw out the any gases which we want to prepare. Okay, so let's discuss how this H2S gas is prepared. Firstly, previously we can add FeS, that is iron sulphide, in the middle chamber. From the upper chamber we can pour the acid. This acid, which is go to the lowest chamber through this pipe. As this acid rise into the lower chamber, and that acid enters into the middle chamber. This acid crosses the surface of FeS, iron sulphide, and which is collected over the surface of FeS. During this combination, the reaction starts between FeS and acid, which generates H2S gas. This H2S gas, which enter in this open space, they generate pressure. They generate the pressure on the surface of this acid. This pressure pushes this surface to the downside. So this acid again rise in this capillary or this pipe and enter into the upper chamber. You can see this here in this figure B. This level of acid is go downside, while the acid level is rise in the pipe and rise to the upper chamber. And during this process, the H2S gas which generated that enter through this pipe, and we can drawn out through the stopcock to the distal wall. Let's see the requirements which we are needing. Here I am going to explain the requirements as well as Kipp's assembly. Here, first FeS, that is the iron sulphide which we need at the middle chamber. Second, hydrochloric acid, which I have taken in this beaker. Water as we need. This one is the glass bottle, and next this is the Kipp's apparatus. For that we need a rubber pipe, and here is the drawbar. Let's take this practically. Here, iron sulphide, which is available in this form, which I am going to add in the middle chamber of this Kipp's apparatus, like this. We can add this iron sulphide to the middle chamber. Now I am going to close this stopper. Here this stopper, two stoppers are there, both should be packed by using plaster of Paris. Okay, now I am going to add hydrochloric acid from the top of this chamber. Our Kipp's assembly is ready now. Now we are going to watch the H2S gas here. Before that, if this reaction is done, then we can draw out the H2S gas through this stopper, and which is enter in this water. For that, we have to give some time.